So welcome students. So in this question you're given that f of x is x square by 4 plus bx plus 10. F of x is a quadratic function. And it's also given that this function satisfies this equation f of 12 minus x is equal to f of x for all x. If that is so, what is the value of b? So this is a very nice functional equation. This is a very standard functional equation of the form f of x is equal to f of 2a minus x. So if f of x is equal to f of 2a minus x, this condition is same as saying that f of x is symmetric about x is equal to a. So as you can see, if you try to plot this function, so let us take this as 2a and let us take this as a. Okay, so now what does this say? F of x is equal to f of 2a minus x. If this is 0, so if you take this as x, the value of f of x, that is if you go x forward, whatever you get is f of x, and this value is same as f of 2a minus x. That is if you go x units back from 2a, you get the same value. If you go x units forward from 0, whatever functional value you're getting, if you go x units backwards from 2a, you're getting the same function value. That is, if you get this, you get this. Here. So the graph will be, so as you can see, the graph will be symmetric about x is equal to a. So what does this mean? F of 12 minus x is equal to f of x means that f of x is symmetric about x is equal to 6, right? Because this is 2a, a is equal to 6. So f of x is symmetric about x is equal to 6. So now, what is a quadratic function symmetric about? We know that a quadratic function will always be a parabola. And what will this parabola be symmetric about? This parabola will always be symmetric about the axis of the parabola. And the axis of the parabola is nothing but x is equal to, because the vertex is minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. So what will be the axis of a vertical parabola? X is equal to minus b by 2a. X is equal to minus b by 2a is the axis of symmetry. And according to the given information, the axis of symmetry has to be equal to x is equal to 6. So let us equate these two. So the axis of symmetry of this parabola is x is equal to minus of b by 2 times 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 2b. So the axis of symmetry of this parabola is x is equal to minus 2b. But according to this information, the axis has to be equal to x is equal to 6. So let us equate these two. So minus 2b should be equal to 6. B should be equal to minus 3. So that's the answer to this question. Thank you.